Heading to appeal of the Honorable Chief Minister, donations from various headquarters have poured into the Chief Minister's Public Relief Fund. So far, rupees 543 crore has been received since the government assumed office, and rupees 541 crores has been spent towards COVID related activities. The Chief Minister Comprehensive Health Insurance Scheme, which was introduced by Muttamil Arinyar Kalaignar, has been expanded with the annual income ceiling limit being increased from rupees 72,000 to rupees 1,20,000. The government has also extended the insurance scheme to COVID positive patients to avail all types of treatment free of cost in private hospitals. As a result, 33,000 patients have availed treatment worth rupees 380 crore. So far, the government has launched a novel scheme of providing health service at the doorstep of people. Makkalai Thedi Maruthuvam. The scheme was launched with a total outlay of rupees 257 crore to address the increasing incidence of non-communicable diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. So far, patients have benefited under this scheme. Varumun Kappom Thittam, which was launched by Muttamil Arinyar Kalaignar, has been revived by this government, and medical camps are being conducted throughout the state under this scheme. With a noble intention of preventing loss of precious lives due to road accidents, the government has launched Innuyir Kappom Nammai Kaakum 48 Thittam. Through this scheme, the government will bear the cost for critical care during the first 48 hours after the accident. In the first phase, 609 hospitals have been enrolled in this scheme. So far, 448 accident victims have been provided critical care. Many parts of the state, including Chennai, witnessed unprecedented rains and floodings during the northeast monsoon. Under the direct supervision of the Honorable Chief Minister, there was timely release of surplus water from dams and reservoirs as a precautionary measure. It is praiseworthy that the Honorable Chief Minister led from the front, personally visiting the affected districts and ensuring that immediate relief was provided to the affected people. Due to meticulous planning, deft management and effective supervision, the loss of life has been minimized. However, there has been extensive damage to roads, bridges, water bodies and crops. The government has submitted detailed memorandum seeking funds to the tune of rupees 6,230 crore to undertake relief and restoration works. We urge that funds from National Disaster Response Fund be released immediately in order to ameliorate the effects of damage caused by the floods. Stop.